Welcome to this fabulous Craftsman-style home by Street of Dreams builder BC Custom Homes. It's ideally situated in a quiet, gated neighborhood where you can enjoy sunset views. This custom-built single-level home features high-quality materials and finishes throughout. Heading inside, discover gorgeous hardwood floors, soaring ceilings, architectural millwork, abundant windows, and an inviting gas fireplace with built-ins. The great room opens to the gourmet kitchen with Silestone counters, an island with eating bar, a gas cooktop, stainless appliances, and a pantry. Just off the front entry, you'll find an office with large, solidly crafted double doors. Unwind in the spacious master suite with 2 walk-in closets. The spa-inspired master bath features heated tile floors, a dual sink vanity, and a large tiled shower. This home of more than 3,700 square feet has large bedrooms with wide doorways, a central vacuum system, and dual zone heating and cooling systems. The timber-framed covered patio is perfect for entertaining, complete with a fire pit, built-in grill, and enclosed swim spa. You'll also find a 3-car garage and an attached 40-foot RV garage with an additional workspace. It's completely fire sprinkled with a security system and is designed with accessibility features. An exceptional home in a quiet, gated community. It's all here on Sunterra Loop, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.